So up to the top on Lenawee Express here. On chair number TT119, at least 19. And I'll see if I can give you a shot of east wall. Catch up on some chats. Yep, there's east wall. Just not enough snow there yet. We'll check out Montezuma at the top. Looks very chilly. It's a little cold. Not terrible. 18 degrees in town. 43 degrees in New Orleans. Oh my gosh. Definitely not 43 degrees, although it might get up to 43 degrees this afternoon or tomorrow. Some warmer temperatures. Trailer Tom reporting from the Lenawee Express high-speed quad chairlift, taking us to the top. First run of the day was that lift over in the distance, right in this peak, a Pallavicini chairlift. Look at this whole bowl. This will be good whenever that can get open. Some fresh tracks.